Papowski.
All right, Ms. Papowski. You're back.
Back.
Why? Failure to refrain from consuming alcohol or drugs, testing positive on a shoulder link on February 21, showing that you consumed alcohol. That is the charge. If you plead guilty, or if you are found guilty, that would be a technical violation. And then they just got dates, times that you failed to submit to retest. February 21 at 11:51, February 22, 26 at 12:21 a.m., 12:51, 1:21, 1:51, and 2:21 a.m. So that's all part of count one. Do you understand the charge?
Yes.
Did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights and there will be no hearing. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right, you have the right to a lawyer. If you want one, I'll give you one. Would you like one?
Yes.
I'll enter a not guilty plea for you. I'm going to give you a lawyer. And you'll come back in front of me momentarily as soon as you talk to the lawyer. Any questions? All right, good enough. You can go talk to the lawyer. Logan Scott Davis. 25W839-209A. I'm going to need Jessica on this one. All right, good morning.
Good morning, I'm here with Inspector Golden Bits.
Why don't you give me that informal Officer Goldsmith pass, please? How's he going to proceed on this? I arraigned him. He's got 4 different counts. Wait a minute, let me double check something. Yeah, 4 different counts.
Pleading guilty to all.
Is that what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
If you plead guilty here, your probation could be revoked. You have no technical violations, but this would be 4. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Did you sign the advice of rights and read and understand the rights?
Yes, sir.
If you plead guilty, you will be giving up all those rights and there will be no hearing or trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right, as to count 1. Count 1 that you failed to pay fines and costs is ordered. How do you plead? Count 2 that you failed to provide proof of completing 24 hours community service. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Count 3 that you failed to provide proof attending AA twice a week. How do you plead?
Guilty.
As to count 4 that you failed to provide proof of attending and completing outpatient treatment. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Did you fail to pay your fines and costs as ordered?
Yes.
Did you fail to provide proof of completing 24 hours of community service?
Yes.
Did you fail to provide proof of attending AA 2 times a week?
Yes, sir.
And did you fail to provide proof of attending and completing outpatient treatment?
Yes, sir.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No.
Anybody promise you anything to induce you to plead guilty?
Oh, yeah.
Please or accept all 4 counts. Wow. Somehow his lawyer got him reckless driving on this. And now he's coming in here and he's not doing what he's supposed to do. He's in trouble. What's the issue? Has he been?
Judge, regarding this getting pled down to a reckless, my understanding was this a .08.
I don't care.
I think that with this retained attorney started out, I think it left this way back in July. And up until the time, I think he was going to get something like 4 times a week, so he's been highest that done. He had 2, well, maybe 3 issues going on, but he lives in Leston between Jackson and Madison in a rural area. His car broke down and he lost his license even for me. And in the middle of that, his grandfather got very sick and was come out during that time. Right now, he's working in Monroe. He does bird abatement. It's a good job. It's good money.
Those what?
Bird abatement.
Okay. Right.
Auto pets, things like that. And he's got his license again. He's going to be able to go from either Monroe or where Leslie to Defendant and Lansing. He could have set that off. So if he had more time, I think he'd be able to get everything done he's required to do.
Did I ask you your name on this?
Jessica Bolan.
What do you have, Dad?
He's showed up for testing, testing's all negative, I've never had any issues with that, he shows up for appointments, we talked about, I gave him additional time with the community service, I gave him until the end of February to get it done, still haven't turned it in, that's why I issued the violation. I do think a lot of it is his schedule, he wasn't working at first for a little while, so he was having trouble with money and things like that. I'm hoping now that he's back working and things like that, we can get him back on track.
You better get going.
Yes, sir.
I'm adjourning the sentencing. I'm gonna trust that you're gonna have your community service done, that you're going to be going to AA again, and that you're going to immediately get in outpatient treatment. Do we understand one another?
Yes, Your Honor.
Give me a date, if you would, Heather, about a month out, please.
Okay, Judge, we can do about April 14th at
Perfect.
8:30.
At 8:30. So I'm just telling you, I'm making a note to complete community service, be in treatment, attend AA again. I don't know why you would have thought that you don't have to go to AA. Has he gone to AA at all since I sentenced him?
I don't have any proof of it.
You're so close to going to jail. You just keep on this. If you don't, I'm telling you, if you don't do this, by the time you come back, if I don't have all these things done, where you're going to AA at least twice a week, you're getting into treat and you're completing your community service, bring your toothbrush with you. Are you with me?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
I have a question. So I thought the treatment was,
AA twice a week until in treat. Until in treat. Problem is you didn't get in treatment. Therefore, you were still to go to AA. You didn't get in treatment. You didn't go to AA. You didn't do your community service. You're pushing me. Stop it. I'll see you back here in a month. Thank you. Grayson. Drew Deshaun Grayson. 25G719-663. Is this one?
Drew Grayson, was wild about.
Okay, can we call him Bev?
We're here for sentencing. Judge.
Yeah.
Please back.
Yeah, I'm reading my notes. Sentencing date. What's it say? Defendant to complete domestic violence program. And then, clear all warrants. It looks like.
So Judge,
So your name.
Drew Grayson.
So has he done all that?
Well, Judge, at the time, part of the problem was he was homeless, so Ms. Wiles didn't have a way to connect with him. He's enrolled in the domestic violence program. He starts Thursday. I paid $100 to pay. Clear the warrant in Royal Oak. I'm just gonna go to the attorney for the warrant, put it out there next week. So we're just asking him to get over on probation.
He's homeless
No, he was homeless.
for how long?
Over the first couple of months after I got out of jail, I haven't.
Well, you got out of jail back in November.
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry, back in September.
I have an address, which is my.
I want to slow down.
Okay, sir.
Your lawyer just told me that you were homeless, I think, when you were here in February. Did I misunderstand, or is that not accurate?
Yes, sir. In terms of,
No, I just want you to answer my question. Is that true or false? Were you homeless when you came in here in February?
I said homeless, so he was staying with friends,
Okay,
but he didn't have a mail.
okay.
yes, sir.
And that was in February.
Yes, sir.
Why did, Ms. Wild's your name?
Papowski.
Why did it take him so long to get into the domestic violence program? You say starting Thursday. I thought I told him to do that right then. It's February 30 was in here. Why did it take you so long? How much is that program again, Ms. Wilds?
That program's $100 for the intake. Mr. Grayson would have only needed $100 to enroll in that program. The follow-up, which is 8 weeks, is $20 per session, but to get enrolled, it would have only been the 100.
Where's he working now?
He works at 5 in Northville by St. John's Complex.
5?
It's a restaurant. It's an upscale restaurant in the golf complex.
Look like you're well dressed for a guy who doesn't have any money. You look, nice coat, nice shirt.
That's part of the problem with money. He's been going through a divorce. He was living with his grandmother and then he couldn't live with her anymore, so it's
Does he have any more warrants outstanding? I'm asking you.
Yes, Your Honor, I have, one other thing in mind, that's gonna be, close to $1,000. I have one, and why that, I've been in communication.
I thought I told you to clear all your warrants. Didn't I tell you to clear all your warrants before you came here today?
Yes, Your
Oh,
Honor.
you're not taking me seriously at all.
I cleared Royal Oak, Your Honor. I cleared Royal
Well, I
Oak.
didn't say clear Royal Oak. I said clear all of them, didn't I?
Yes, Your Honor, but money has been tight. I had a car. My car got repossessed. I was driving my girls to school every single day till my car got repossessed. And then since then I've been catching Ubers to work just so I can live, Your Honor. I paid the 100 today. I'm going to continue to pay my fines and costs. My class starts Thursday. Your Honor, I'm making strides. I'm not trying to.
Ms. Wilds, what do you think here?
Yeah, Sharon, I spoke with Mr. Grayson after the last hearing. We did go over the warrants, looked up any information that we were able to look up. I know that when I met with him originally, you know, there were a lot.
Hold on. College graduate working as a dishwasher? That is a wild twist. Mr. Grayson is trying to explain a mountain of warrants. We're talking Royal Oak, Centerline, and one worth $1,000. The judge is clearly frustrated because Grayson had months to clear these warrants. But here's the legal reality. When you have active warrants, a judge has zero sympathy. You're a fugitive until you clear them. And the judge's comment, no way a guy who graduated college should be washing dishes. That's a tough love reality check.
These same issues. I think the big issue at hand right off was that I couldn't communicate with him in a proper manner because I didn't have all the contact information. Once we did send that show cause to the Detroit address, it seemed like maybe it prompted him to finally appear. So I'm kind of at a loss that if financially can't move forward with anything, I'm not sure how he's going to be able to comply because he's going to have to come up with that follow-up money right after.
What do you do at 5?
I'm a dishwasher, Your Honor. So,
You graduated, right?
yes, sir, Central Middle School.
You got a college degree and you're working as a dishwasher? I
I
went to Central Michigan.
was the general manager last year around this time before everything happened. I lost that job and I started working as a cook. And I worked. I picked up shifts off an app, and decided to hire me as a dishwasher. And I mean, a lot of this stuff has just been happening. At one time, I was waiting on my tax return to come back. Now I can pay off my fines and calls and take care of everything else. But the warrants I have to go in is a lot of money at the $750 at Wyandotte and $1,000 in Centerline.
Listen,
Yes, sir.
I don't care. The Centerline, you've had a warrant since I think I read 19. Yeah, June of 19. 6 years. 7 years. I'm adjourning the sentence in 5 weeks. You better complete all this. I'm telling you. Give me a date in the latter part of April, please, Heather.
We could do April 28th.
Perfect. 8:30 in the morning. I'm telling you, I'm not going to be very patient with you. You don't have this done, you're going to jail. I want all you to surrender all the warrants. This doesn't mean you can do it when you feel like it or when you have the money. You put yourself in a bad spot. There's no way a guy who graduated college should be working as a dishwasher. I don't know why you are. You can only answer that, but that's neither here nor there. I expect you to pay your fines. I expect you to surrender on the warrants, and I expect you to complete that program, and I'm not going to hear any more of this. Do you understand me?
Yes, sure.
Go down the hall and get your notice. You got to stop this. This is crazy. Go find a better job before it's too late. Jaden Lucas Toma, 260-647-559, A and B. So this was an informal. You're not on this one. Okay, so your name?
Jaden Lucas Toma.
So you met with the department rep and you're going to do this. You're going to plead the 5 over and then they're going to go ahead and dismiss the no insurance, right?
Correct, yeah.
Is that what you want to do?
Yes.
All right, to the charge 1 to 5 over, which by the way is 1 point. To that charge, responsible, not responsible.
Responsible.
All right. I'll accept your plea to 1 to 5 over. Fines costs here are $140. $140. The no insurance is dismissed. You can go down the hall and take care of that.
Thank you.
Okay?
Sounds great. I can take care of it today.
Yeah, you weren't in front of me before a lot, were you?
Like a couple weeks ago.
Well, I know, but that's,
Oh, years ago, I was 18. You know,
where were you living?
Trent,
On Grange?
Westview.
Okay. Well, good luck to you. I wish you well. Thank you.
Yeah.
Patrick Will, 26T6478862. All right, sir, your name.
Patrick Wolf.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
You're gonna plead to impeding
Yes.
to that charge? Responsible and not responsible?
Responsible.
Yeah, did I talk to you about this?
No.
Was your dad Roger?
Yes. My grandmother.
Yeah, your grandfather, and your grandmother was,
Irene.
Irene. Yeah, I liked them. They were nice people.
They like
I really did. They were very nice people. And your dad died shortly before your
grandfather.
died shortly before your grandma, like within a year, wasn't it?
Yep.
Yeah, that's too bad. I really liked them. All right, 150, you're all set. Cash, you into the hall to your right. Good luck.
Thanks.
Give your family my best. Lewis Road, 26T6477748.
Enter Deborah Lee Bolan, and she is flustered. She showed up without proper notice, stumbled over her words, and the prosecutor drops a bombshell. Witnesses saw her blow a stop sign at high speed, causing a crash with extensive damage. The judge is actually being merciful here by adjourning it to give her time to prepare. But look at how fast the police officer pushes back. He's not settling for a plea deal because the damage was crippling.
Nobody's in the lobby here. It says default judgment is entered. People against Quentin Miller, 2-6. T6475520. All right, how you doing? Your name?
What's a Miller?
So you met with these guys and you're going to plead to defective equipment. Let me just double check something here. Yeah, you're going to plead as charged to defective equipment. They're going to dismiss the other charge, right?
Correct.
To the charge defective equipment, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
All right, good enough. Please accepted. 120. The other charge, file A is dismissed. You can go down and take care of that and you're all set. That's the
Next question.
Yeah.
Is that a point ticket?
No.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, have a good day. Deborah Lee Bolan, 26F245663. Where's Officer Goldsmith's case?
Where's the podium here?
Do you have Officer Goldsmith's case, John?
That's this one.
Oh, that's this one?
This one.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Your name?
Bolan?
Okay, your name?
Wolfman.
This is driving without due care and caution. Excessive speed causing an accident. You gotta come and throw your gum in that garbage over there. Do you wish to proceed to the hearing?
Yes, I disagree with what he.
It's fine. Do you want to proceed to the hearing?
Yes.
Your Honor, if I may say, I'm unprepared. I was informed 20 minutes before the hearing to be here. I was never given a subpoena. However, this was involving a car accident. I'm unsure what the location is. I'm not sure about everything.
It was awesome.
Slow down. Wait, just let me finish.
I was told while I was on the road working that I had to be here. I came right here.
Well, then let's do this. That's in fairness to you. You're entitled to notice. I don't know why they're not giving you notice. I can adjourn it a week or so and you can prepare.
If it pleases the court, I have court next door on Monday. I could Monday at 10 and there if you want to. Do you have anything earlier or not or after? It's up to you.
Yeah.
Or I can give the court the discretion if she wants to plead to impeding. That's fine.
The problem is, was somebody hurt in this?
I am unaware of that.
Was somebody hurt in this?
Yeah, I went to the hospital.
Not you. Was somebody in the other car hurt?
No,
Was there serious damage to the other car?
he ran a stop sign.
Ma'am, I didn't ask you any of that. Just answer my questions.
I don't know, was his car injured? I know my car was, I had a rental.
Do you remember?
Can you refresh my memory? What was the location?
It was at Senegal.
Oh, okay. Seneca and Moses.
I was coming and dropping my grandson off from school.
Okay, we were.
In the south side.
Please.
All right, Your Honor, so I do recall this. There was witnesses. There was a witness on the scene that observed her driving at a high rate of speed and not stopping at the stop sign,
I don't have.
which caused, excuse me,
I'm sorry.
which caused the accident. There was extensive damage to the other vehicle.
So I can't take impede. And,
It was crippling damage. I believe the car is probably totaled.
okay, so I'm gonna set this for another hearing next week. You gonna be able to prepare by then, next Monday?
I can be ready whenever you are, Your Honor.
Let's do it for the 23rd, Heather. And I'm
Okay,
gonna have it, we'll do it here at 9:45, okay?
9:45 and the 23rd, you said so?
Correct, on Monday.
I think I have a doctor's appointment on the 23rd. I have a heart doctor's appointment.
What time?
I don't have my paper here, but I know that date for sure.
Okay, can you figure out the time?
I have my paper here, but I know I go on the 23rd.
Your Honor, with the police report for the 24th, I'm also off that day.
Then let's do the 24th.
24th.
At, what time, Heather?
That's a civil day, Judge, so I'm not, for you, so,
Just make it at
What?
9 AM. How's that? The 24th at 9 AM.
Okay.
Okay? And then we'll figure out what we're gonna do. Have a good day. So they'll give you a notice down the hall for that, all right?
Sorry, I was just nervous. I didn't mean to overspeak.
You're fine. You're fine. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you very
Have a
much.
good day.
You too. What else do we have?
Thurwood has a handful. Boy.
It's pretty good. We'll make the old guy live in St. Patrick's Day, huh?
Wow.
Why would you hit the butts?
What?
Where is them?
So let's break down what we just saw in Judge McNally's courtroom today. First, we had Papowski, who was literally hanging by a thread, failing every single condition of his probation, with the judge giving him a final month to turn it around, complete with a bring your toothbrush ultimatum. Next, we saw Grayson, a college grad stuck in a financial spiral, juggling 3 active warrants and a domestic violence class he still hasn't started. The judge was harsh but fair, ordering him to get his life straight or face the music. And finally, we met Deborah Lee Bolan, caught in a messy car accident case with a witness against her, nervously asking for a delay.